Hey everyone, it's Eric again. I'm back. So, just a sort of postscript after my last video on the ART Pro Audio Tube MP Studio V3 microphone and instrument preamp. It's got no on and off switch anywhere, up the top, on the front, anywhere. So, I went out and bought a rocker switch that is to go between the preamp and the adapter. So the adapter will be plugged into the wall socket. The other end will be plugged into this switch, and this switch will go into the preamp. And that will allow me to easily, and without having to plug and unplug things, it will allow me to easily turn the unit on and off. Okay, so as with my last video, stay tuned. I will shortly be uploading another video in which I really put this preamp through its paces and show you how it sounds with a variety of different sources. Okay? Okay, see you then.